Hello guys, welcome to CAD Crunch, and today we are going to work on beginner exercise. So let's go. First of all, click on new tab and then we will select part option and then click OK. It is asking for whether I want to open a blank template. Then let's click OK. So this is our interface, and from bottom here we can change the unit, and we will work in millimeter units. Okay, and from here, from this tab, we can change the background of this workspace, and we will select plain white, and then after that we will select top plane, and then we will click on sketch, and after that we will select circle. We will draw a circle from origin point, and then we will select dimension, then we will give it dimension 50 mm. There is another circle, and that is 30 mm diameter. And now we will select line, and from this point we will draw a line, and we will draw a rough sketch, and after that we will give dimension. Okay, and now we will select this line, and we will apply this geometrical constraint, that is make horizontal. Okay, and after that we will select dimensioning, and we will provide the distance origin and this line, that is 60 mm. Click OK. The distance between this point to this point is 9 mm. And this vertical distance is also 9 mm. Trim entities, and now here we will select the trim to closure, and then we will click here. It can be this part of the circle, and now we will click here, and we will exit the sketch. And after that we will choose this feature, extruded boss face. We will extrude this sketch by 9 mm. Now click OK. And after that we will select this plane and sketch. Now we will select this button, that is normal plane, to make the plane normal. Now we will draw some lines. We will draw a vertical line here, a horizontal line, and then we will go forward, and then if we go backward and stay for some time, then you will be able to draw an arc. Then we will draw an arc and this line. This is our sketch. Click OK. And now we will draw a circle from origin point, from this point to this point. Okay. Now we will give it dimension, and that is 15 mm, and we will specify the distance between this line and the origin, and that is 18 mm. Click OK. So our sketch is ready. Now we will exit from the sketch, We will extrude it by the distance of 21 mm. There we go. And now we will click OK. And after that we will select front plane and then sketch. Now we will make it normal too, and then we will select line and we will join from this point to this point. We will draw a line from this point and this point. There we go. Now we have a triangle, and now click OK and exit the sketch. Now we will extrude it by 7 mm. We will extrude it in both directions equally. So we will select mid plane. Now click OK. So this is our component. And now it is ready. Then we will hide the origin. Click on this. Right click and hide origin. There it is. Now we will add some color on this component, and for that we will select this and right click on this. From here we will go to appearance and drop down arrow, and here we will click on part. This type of window will open, and from here we can add any color to this component. So we will add yellow color. Click OK. Now let's save this part, file, and save. Exercise 1. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you like the video then you can share with your friend, and you can also subscribe CAD Crunch. Thank you.